The year 1830 marked the beginning of the railroad era in the United States. The gold rush in 1849 speeded its development, and in 1869 the rails stretched from the Atlantic all the way to the Pacific when the Union Pacific and Central Pacific Railroads were joined in Utah. Songs like "I've Been Working on the Railroad" were used as a tool for work crews. They sang together, and the rhythm of the music helped to keep them on pace.